Please introduce me yourself.
I am Camille Joy M. Balantang. I'm 29 years old. I'm single. I live in Nungnungan, Mangawayan City, Isabela. I'm high school graduate.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
No, sir. But I work in Philippines as a nanny, helper, for 2 years to a couple with two children as 5 months and 5 years old. I do all the household like cleaning, cooking, ironing, car washing. I also work at Soho Marketing as sales lady for 2 years.
Okay, in your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will check the baby's temperature. If the baby is sick, I will call my employer.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible.
Okay, do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Okay, why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to provide my family.
Okay, if you get hard, who will take care of your children?
I don't have children, sir.
Okay, if you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work and remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Okay, what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep 10 p.m. and I woke up 5 a.m.
Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will more patient.
Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, when you work and do the housework there,
Yes, sir.
can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir. But I willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
What is your message to the future employer?
I hope to select me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible. I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.